Hello YouTubers, welcome to another tutorial, and today we are going to attempt to do some side view or side turn for this bus. Okay, so I have got here the smart bone which I have added. So I'm going to create smart action for this bone, and yeah, and I will go to frame number 96 and rotate this clockwise to roughly about here. Okay, now I will go to my bus here. I've got reference image here. It's not the same bus, but we can always use that. Okay, right, so I will start by using this frame, bus frame. I'm going to hide everything, but instead of doing this, there is another trick to do it. So if you go to, so if you come here in display here, and you can use, if you click fade unselected layers, that means the only layer which is available, it's gonna be the one which you click. So you can see from here, like if I click boss, everything is going to be gray. Okay, so this is great as well, or you can hide individual layers. Okay, now while I'm in frame number 96, I'm going to select points. I will select these points first. Only these from the front here. Transformation tools, and then I'm going to bring them somewhere around here. Okay, just like that. Okay, now let's select the rest of the points from the back. Transformation tools, and bring roughly about here. At the same time, I'm going to select just here, just this one, transformation, and then bring it down here. Okay, bring this one here. When you do this, try to have less points as possible. If you draw your image with a lot of points, it's going to be very difficult to move those points when you do a turn. Okay, okay, so let's select these points now. Transform and bring down like this. Okay, we will do the same to this one, and I'm going to bring down this size. Okay, now the wheel arch, only the wheel arch we are going to lasso around. Transformation, and bring this somewhere around here. Okay, after that I will select this one again, just bring it to this side. Okay. Use this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to bring all the way somewhere here, and then we are going to squeeze this to something like this. I don't know if it is squash. And then come here and use the zoom. Okay, we'll come back to that later. Okay, so now we have the frame has already turned into this direction. I'm going to make sure that this also align all the way up here. So let's bring this somewhere here. So as this, make sure it is around this size here. Probably this down here. Okay, somewhere around here. All right, so you can see now the frame has already turned from here. I'm going to hide the original image there, so that I can show you how this has turned. Okay, so right, okay, so now we need to move other things. I'm going to bring original image here, select it. Once I've seen this, so now I need to move the windscreen and the windows to the side. Okay, so gonna start with the windscreen. Okay, from here now, I'm just gonna let this video go because I will be just moving the points and nothing important. I'm gonna do it, and if you want, you can forward it or you can follow it, but I'm just gonna fast forward this video to the end now. All right, so this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like it.